Hello my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you another recipe, that is star gooseberry pickle. It is also called as Malay gooseberry, West Indian gooseberry, country gooseberry, and etc. Let's see how to make. This is star gooseberry tree. Can you see the small yellow berries on the tree? Can you see many gooseberries are growth? My friend Mummy, she is plucking star gooseberry. Star gooseberry is a good source of calcium and iron, and it is also help to reduce the cholesterol level and maintain the normal BP, and help to reduce the risk of cancers or tumor in the lung. It serves many medical purpose. Now I am removing all waste. Once you finish removing all waste, wash it well. Boil the water 5 to 10 minutes in 100 degrees Celsius. It's helped to kill the all bacteria, virus and fungus in the water. Take a dried and clean bottle. After that, put gooseberry without moisture. Add 2 tablespoons salt, pour boiled water, tightly close the bottle. After 1 week, separate the water from gooseberry. Turn on the gas and heat the pan. Pour some amount of oil. Put mustard. Put garlic. Curry leaves. pickle masala. Then add chili powder, salt, mix it well and boil 5 minutes. Now our pickle is ready. I hope you like my recipe. I will meet you in the next video. Tata. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.